So this is the contract navigator, right? So we have a series of steps that you can go through. If you start an intake, it'll go through pretty much 10 different questions before it's going to give you the information. Is this a prevailing wage job? What's the solicitation? It's just going to ask you all these little bit of details. But you could also break down a solicitation. So when it comes to this, you can just add files. Now, so I pretty much just ask it that question and upload that document so to give me a breakdown. And it knows what the prevailing wage is for New York City, especially the alarm tech. So that way we could bid it accordingly. Then it's going to ask you like percentage of markup do you want? Do you understand the difference between markup and margin? Because it just guides you through the whole entire thing.
Yeah, I'm familiar with markup and margin.
I'm not saying that you're not. I'm just making sure that because you're not going to be the only one. Let's think we got a large corporation with 20,000 users and we bring in a new sales guy. He may not know that difference. Not to say that this is going to be something used 20 years from now, but we don't know. This is just what I'm thinking to implement to make breaking down solicitations easier, because I've read a lot of bid proposals. I went through all of these thousands of pages, and it's pretty much they're all the same. And it's sometimes you don't really need to read all this information. So what I did was created this so that way you don't have to read it. It'll pull out everything pertaining to what we do, fire alarm or security, and it'll just guide you exactly through what you need to go through, because we may miss some details reading all of this information, and this won't miss no details for you. So you just pull it out, extract it, and apply it to the proposal, and then from there you can send out your proposal. You just cut down so much time by asking this AI, break this down for me. You pulling and extracting all the information, plug it in our numbers, because this could plug in the numbers for you, plug in your numbers, and then you just prepare the quote and send it out.